Meaning of hick.
hick,
Hick.
hick,
Hick. The word hick is a derogatory term used to describe a person perceived as unsophisticated or from a rural area. It is often used as an insult to mock someone's intelligence or manners. The term has a negative connotation and is considered offensive by many. It is not a word that should be used to describe someone, as it is hurtful and discriminatory. Overall, the use of the term hick perpetuates harmful stereotypes and should be avoided in order to promote respect and understanding towards all individuals regardless of their background or upbringing.